Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how to pin a post or reel on Instagram app. So before we do that, we want to make sure that we have the latest version of Instagram app installed. So we can go into our app store and check that. And then after that, I just open my Instagram app. So this is my Instagram account, and as you can see, there's only one post pinned because you can see this is the post that has been pinned, and you can see the pin icon on it as well. So let's say I want to pin another post. Let me select any post. So let's say this is the one. So this is the one I want to pin again. So I just tap on the three dots at the top right corner. I just tap on them, and this menu appears, and at the bottom you will see pin to your profile option. I just tap on that and it's pinning. And let me check now. This post has, it is at the top of my profile, so it has been pinned, and I can see the pin icon as well. So at a time you can pin only 3 posts, so you'll have to keep that in mind. And if you pin a post again after 3 pinned posts, then it will be replaced by already pinned posts. So you have to keep that in mind. And likewise, you can go into your reels and you can also pin reels. So let's say this one is a reel that I want to pin. So I just select this reel, open it, and then at the bottom there are 3 dots. Again I click them, and here you will not see the pin option right away, so I'll have to click on the manage button. So manage option, and then at the bottom I will see pin to your reels. So I just tap on that option and it has been pinned. So let me check now. You can see this post has been pinned, and it is at the top of the pin reels. Yeah, so again if I try to pin another reel, so it will be replaced by the already
पागल पागल है थोड़े बादल बादल है दोनों खुल के बरसे भी गया जरा पहले भी मैं तुमसे
confirm it. And here you can see my third pin has gone, and now the pin has taken its place. So again, if I want to unpin any pin that has already been pinned, so let's say I want to unpin this one again. So I just tap on the right 3 dots. This is the same process, and there's the unpin from your profile option at the bottom. So I just tap on that and it has been unpinned. So I hope it helped. If it did, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you have still any questions, you can just write them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Thank you. See you in the next one.